I'm HVAC repair guy. I spent 17 years in the field and worked as a former nuclear power electrician, fixing thousands of heating systems after the sales talk faded. Today, my goal is helping you understand what actually matters when buying an oil boiler. We are comparing the Thermodynamics TDX and the Dunkirk Excelsior EXB. On paper, both boilers heat your home reliably, but once you look past the brochures, there are important ownership differences you need to know. Most homeowners think the biggest decision is picking the boiler with the highest efficiency number. In my experience, that's only part of the story. What really matters is what you will spend owning, servicing, and repairing the unit over the next 15 or 20 years. The biggest technical factor to look at between these two is the heat exchanger warranty and efficiency pairing. Both the Thermodynamics TDX and the Dunkirk Excelsior EXB come in with an identical 87% AFUE rating. So what? That AFU number means 87% of the heating oil you buy gets converted directly into heat inside your house, while the other 13% escapes through the chimney. Since fuel efficiency is essentially equal here, your fuel bills won't show a noticeable difference between the two. Where they split is in how the manufacturers back their heat exchangers. Thermodynamics covers the TDX with a pro-rated lifetime heat exchanger warranty, while Dunkirk offers a straight 20-year heat exchanger warranty on the Excelsior EXB. A pro-rated warranty means as the unit ages, the manufacturer covers less of the replacement cost if it fails, whereas Dunkirk's 20-year warranty gives you predictable coverage for 2 decades. However, both brands limit their electrical parts warranty to just 1 year, meaning component protection past year 1 is on your dime for both units. Neither unit uses complex modulating controls or 2-stage burners. Both rely on standard single-stage oil controls. That simplicity is actually a huge benefit. Complex electronics can deliver micro-adjustments and comfort, but when a circuit board fails on a cold night, replacement parts are expensive and harder to find. Standard controls keep future repair costs low and ensure any qualified technician can service them with off-the-shelf parts. Here's what the brochure doesn't tell you. The quality of your installer matters far more than the brand name on the jacket. A mid-tier boiler installed with proper draft, clean piping, and correct nozzle sizing will outlast a premium unit installed poorly every single time. Also, because oil burns dirtier than natural gas, annual maintenance, like cleaning heat transfer surfaces, replacing oil nozzles, and adjusting combustion, is non-negotiable for keeping both of these boilers running reliably. Looking at actual market pricing, the Dunkirk Excelsior EXB retails online around $3,605, while the Thermodynamics TDX series ranges between $3,580 and $4,200 depending on your burner package and staging setup. That makes the upfront equipment cost virtually identical for most standard home sizes. The true long-term value comes down to how much peace of mind you get from Dunkirk's straightforward 20-year warranty compared to Thermodynamics' pro-rated lifetime backing. Thermodynamics is probably better for homeowners who want a solid, straightforward American-made boiler and plan to stay in their home long-term, where a pro-rated lifetime warranty offers ongoing baseline protection. Dunkirk is probably better for homeowners who prefer fixed 20-year warranty terms without pro-rated scaling. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the Thermodynamics TDX. Its 87% AFUE matches the Dunkirk, but Thermodynamics has built a reputation among service techs for rugged steel heat exchanger designs that are straightforward to brush out during annual cleanings. That easy maintenance keeps long-term labor bills down, making it the better long-term investment in my book.